The Bahamas is home to 35% of the Caribbean's coral reefs, making it one of the most sought-after dive destinations in the world. Sadly, threats like climate change are killing our reefs, with scientists predicting many will be gone by 2050. But we haven't lost hope. An exciting restoration technique called coral farming could give them a fighting chance. The process is simple. We first collect fragments from healthy corals and grow them in nurseries where they're cared for in optimal conditions. Once they're big enough, we prune the corals and outplant their progeny onto struggling reefs. Coral farming can be taught to amateur and expert divers alike, and each 5-centimeter piece can produce over 25 big fragments in just 4 years. Working side by side, scientists and recreational divers could grow tens of thousands of corals to replenish degraded reefs. That's why our vision is to create a community of coral farmers across the Bahamas, fostering better diving experiences, a growing reef restoration tourism sector, and above all, healthier coral reefs.